How come we were doing it when we were not the owners of this place? What happened?
Oh, both the road and the borrow pit belongs to us.
No, you didn't get the question.
Sorry.
How come they are doing road where they are not sure of the borrow pit yet?
Okay. I don't know to discuss this issue with them.
You can see that we came for an inspection of a borrow pit, and the reason is very simple. We already know the situation that we're facing along the we call it airport, I think Obiri Road. The kind of environmental hazard that we are facing there, the smell on that, and being the entrance into the state, we felt it's not proper. So we're making alternative arrangement to that so that we can have a permanent place where we can start dropping our refuse. What we did here is there's something going on before I came in, and it is also proper. Whichever one that is done rightly, you continue with it. So I felt I should come and see the level of work that is ongoing here. We have not concluded the issue of the borrow pit, because you can hear where I was discussing with them. But the road, access road to this borrow pit, I think the government is doing something about it. So we'll make sure that everything that needs to be done to make sure that government owns this borrow pit is done. I believe that the chief is willing to support us.
We are willing.
He's willing to support us. I can see his participation even in the road construction. And I need to say this. I think from what I'm seeing from Rewama, I think they are very, very serious to make an impact in issue of refuse in River State.
Don't worry.